Hey everyone, for individuals looking for a small and incredibly portable laptop, the CHUWI MiniBook X is an interesting choice. Since 13-inch laptops are now the norm, it is becoming harder to locate anything smaller from well-known companies. However, the CHUWI MiniBook X might be the best option if you just want a useful, really small laptop, and branding is not a top concern. With an all-aluminum structure that rivals that of more costly laptops, the MiniBook X boasts a sleek and sophisticated design. Only the laptop's underside displays the CHUWI logo. It has a sleek yet modest design and comes in a neutral, grayish silver tone. Although not the thinnest, the overall thickness is 17 millimeters. As may be expected for a device this tiny, port selection is restricted. Since it only has two USB-C ports, one of which is for charging, a USB hub is required if you wish to attach more accessories. There are also some cooling vents and a 3.5mm audio jack on the left side. The 10.51-inch display of the MiniBook X has a 16:10 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1920 by 1200. When compared to OLED screens, the IPS panel is not the most brilliant display, but having respectable viewing angles and color fidelity. The screen appears smaller than it should because of the thick bezels. Although it is not very bright, the brightness level is enough for indoor use and can even withstand some outdoor use in sunshine. Because of its 360-degree hinge, the laptop can be used as a tablet, laptop, or as a tent to consume media. The keyboard's implementation is quite good considering the laptop's compact form size. CHUWI has chosen a small TKL design with two brightness levels for the LED illumination. However, typing is difficult and mistakes are common because of the small key space. The trackpad is small, which makes it less practical for precision navigation, even though it is accurate and devoid of unintentional misclicks. Performance-wise, the MiniBook X is driven by the Intel N100 chipset, which is frequently used in low-cost laptops and tiny PCs. It has a 512GB SSD and 12GB of RAM, which is sufficient for daily productivity tasks, but not appropriate for demanding workloads. Because of the low-end hardware, gaming performance is severely constrained. Games like Genshin Impact can theoretically be played, but only at the lowest settings, and even then, the performance is erratic. Stuttering is lessened by lowering the frame rate to 45 frames per second. However, the quality of the experience is still poor. The MiniBook X's heat management is one of its biggest shortcomings. The device warms up significantly even when used sparingly, and the problem gets worse when performing more taxing tasks. When the laptop is in tablet mode, it becomes difficult to carry due to the restricted number of vents that do nothing to properly dissipate heat. Another issue with the MiniBook X is its battery life. The device's 28.88 watt-hour battery does not last very long between charges. Depending on usage, real-world performance is closer to 3 hours, even if the system estimates up to 5 hours. An intriguing gadget that revives the idea of ultra-small notebooks is the CHUWI MiniBook X. Although it effectively blends a tablet and laptop into a small form factor, there are some serious trade-offs. Its power, battery life, and general usability are all limited by its compact size. It performs poorly in areas like gaming, thermal management, and long-form typing, but excels at light work tasks and occasional media consumption. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Have a nice day, and God bless you.